Are you ready for DJI's next big move in the action camera space? Because it looks like they're about to shake things up again, but this time with something small. Hey everyone, welcome to Lenz Loop, your go-to spot for the latest camera tech and leaks. Today, we're diving into DJI's upcoming compact beast, the DJI Osmo Nano. This tiny action camera just showed up in the FCC database, and it's already sparking serious buzz. Let's break down everything we know so far, from design, performance, and how it could go head-to-head with the likes of GoPro and Insta360. So, what exactly is the Osmo Nano? As the name suggests, it's DJI's attempt at creating one of their smallest, most compact action cameras yet. Think of it as a refined follow-up to the DJI Action 2, but this time with a smarter approach. The Action 2 had a unique modular design with magnetic attachments, but also faced criticism for its durability and awkward usability. DJI seems to have learned from that. The Osmo Nano is expected to keep that magnetic modular design, but upgrade it significantly. Early reports and FCC documents point to two separate model numbers, one for the camera unit and one for a display module. That confirms we're getting a detachable setup, perfect for creators who want flexibility without bulk. Now, let's talk performance. The Osmo Nano is rumored to pack a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which will be a major leap forward for image quality in such a small body. Leaks also suggest 4K video at 120 frames per second, putting it in the same performance bracket as some high-end action cams. And of course, DJI's signature image stabilization is expected to return, with Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady, making sure your footage stays smooth no matter how intense the action gets. Whether you're biking, snowboarding, or even using on a drone, this camera is built to keep up. Speaking of drones, that's where this gets even more interesting. With DJI being a major drone brand, the Osmo Nano might double as a lightweight, adaptable option for aerial footage. Its compact size and modular build can make a solid match for FPV drones, especially since DJI is also developing their Avatar 3 FPV drone, rumored to arrive late this year or early next. As far as design goes, you can expect a wearable, easily mountable form factor, likely with an edge-to-edge display and accessories like battery extensions or screens that attach magnetically. This makes the Osmo Nano not just compact, but also customizable depending on how you shoot. Now, let's touch on durability, something crucial for action cameras. A modular build always raises concerns about parts detaching or cracking under pressure. But if DJI has learned from the Action 2, we might see stronger magnets, reinforced housings, and better weatherproofing to handle extreme conditions like snow, mud, or rocky terrain. As for wireless features, FCC documents confirm the camera will use low-power spread spectrum technology, which hints at efficient connectivity, extended battery performance, and smoother pairing between modules. So, is the Osmo Nano shaping up to be DJI's answer to GoPro's Hero Mini or Insta360's Go series? All signs point to yes. With upgraded internals, refined design, and DJI's experience behind it, the Osmo Nano could easily become a go-to option for creators who want a tiny camera with big capabilities. We still don't have a confirmed release date, but considering it's already listed in the FCC database, we could be looking at an official launch in just a few weeks or months. What do you think? Could the Osmo Nano be your next action cam? Would you use it with drone or for everyday shots? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Lenz Loop for more updates, reviews, and tech breakdowns just like this. Until next time, stay sharp, keep shooting, and I'll catch you in the next one.